So actually, the Summit Connect in Istanbul for me is one of the most vibrant Summit Connects we have across EMEA, which makes me super humble and proud to be always here and to see this vast exchange of people visiting Summit Connect and the exchange of information, the collaboration. I think this is what makes Red Hat special, and we can see it better than anywhere else, maybe here in Istanbul. So I think we're just at the beginning of the AI era, and I think we really need to explore what is even possible, right? One thing is for sure, when we think about AI, normally we look at many closed source models where the data set is unclear, it was trained on, model weights are unclear. This is exactly where we want to disrupt. Again, like we disrupted a couple of times already some industries, we want to make sure that whatever we do in the future when it comes to development or usage of AI, that this is an open source way and we infuse basically open source mechanics and principles into that space. So it's a very good question because I think it brings together three interesting pieces. One is hybrid cloud, but then also virtualization and AI. And what we try to do is to build a common platform for our customers and partners to run all those workloads wherever they want the workloads to run. So of course we can see some market shifting trends at the moment. So based on country and based on the customers, we see more or less interest in specific areas. I think where the interest is unbroken is having one denominator that we have with our OpenShift platform that is able to run all those workloads, being it legacy workloads or modern AI workloads and models or virtual machines. We can do everything. So what we try to continue to do, like we did also in the past, is really making sure we listen very carefully to what our customers truly need and also what the communities are basically driving forward. Because I think one of the core strengths of Red Hat is to combine the open source communities and the vibrant community over there and our enterprise customers, because the needs are sometimes a little bit different or contradicting. We try to bring it together. So our strategy is, I would say, unchanged from the past, making sure we're meeting the real needs of our customers and making sure the open source communities are also basically in compliance with that. And sometimes that's why also we need to change roadmaps if we see that the open source communities really take a turn somewhere. So I think I see a lot of innovation and a lot of digital transformation already from your beautiful country. So what is really fascinating to me is whenever we look at some customer references across EMEA, the region I'm responsible for, it is very often the case that especially from your country we have a lot of already great references. But having said that, how we can help, I think is a twofold. One, we need to make sure, and this is my commitment, we will continue to invest in the local market and making sure we have the right talent basically available for our customers and partners. But that alone is not enough, because Red Hat is only a truly viable solution if it is combined with our great ecosystem. So on top of having the right people locally available, we also want to make sure that we have the right partners in place that also help locally to build and unlock the value of our technologies. And I think that goes back already a little bit when we started going into that topic as well. So just over a year ago, we announced that we're working on some open source projects like Project Kepler, where we want to make it visible what is the power consumption, what is the carbon footprint of all the workloads our customers are running with their Linux installed base. So what we try to help with is getting insights and visibility basically in what is your consumption as an operator of a data center, and make educated decisions about how you place the workloads and how you optimize. What is new, because we have pretty good success with that, or the feedback is very good from our customers, we expand that functionality across the complete portfolio of platforms that we have, so that basically regardless of what you're using as a Red Hat technology, our vision is that you have always paired with that insights on CO2 emissions, potential consumptions of power, to basically have always a better prepared alternative. So my final conclusion or my final question would be, or ask would be, please continue to work with us and to talk to us. I think this is what Red Hat makes Red Hat, and this is what we live and breathe every day. So bringing together the insights from our customers and also from the open source communities is what makes us better, makes us a better partner, and ultimately unlocks more value for you.